Here we have a Bosch 1080p LED model LE40GB01-C HD TV. It comes with switches on the side, on off menu, source, channel, volume, and on the back you have the model number and specifications there. On the side we have composite source, card face, CI, I've never used that. You got HDMI 3, you got USB, you got coaxial, that's your digital aerial, and then you got HDMI 1, HDMI 2, SCART, PC audio, VGA, RF. So you can, this can technically be a super large monitor with your monitor cable bit there, as you can see. Lots and lots of ports. It's ports galore over here. You can do all kinds of things. I had my Raspberry Pi hooked up to there with the HDMI there. It's multifunctional. I had all kinds of things plugged into this television. Right, hold on, my shoe's fallen off. To demonstrate it working, I've got this little games handheld here. So yeah, the sound works. And if I hold this down, you can see there's no dead pixels. It looks great, smashing. I have the remote here. The remote looks got a bit of wear on it. You've got the source there. I don't know what this button used to be. Clearly I used it a lot because it's sort of worn away. The only thing up with the remote is the back's missing, and the plus buttons on the channel and the volume aren't working. So to turn the television down, I've had to use those. However, on eBay I've seen this remote for like £5. I'm going to put the replacement in that listing, but you know, it's not a deal breaker, it's a good television.